Hey man, how's it going?
Cool. Doing great, man. Life is fun. चल रहा है,
Life is fun.
कट रही है.
I,
Yeah.
so, I want to. Okay, firstly, I was thinking, and recently thinking of this podcast, and I remembered that the first time I met you was in the drama team,
Right.
and I remember thinking that I thought that you have to raise your hands to become the director.
Okay.
So I didn't know that, right? So I remember coming to you and Kumar on the first day itself
Right.
to ask how can I be the director, and I realized no, you have to earn it and everything.
Yeah, it's a process, man. I mean,
Yeah, it was
it's a
great time,
process.
man. Okay, let me just introduce you. You're Dharma Joshi. You write, you
Yes.
direct, you
Yes.
are into theater. You
Yep.
write, you do music as well. In fact, you are doing music for our first film, like both of us
Yes.
combined
Yeah. Both.
first
Yeah.
film.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And what
I'm
else
a
you don't
musician.
act, right?
I act. So
Oh, you
essentially, I'm
act
an
too. Oh,
actor.
wow.
Yeah. I started
Okay,
off
I'm so
as an
sorry.
actor, and then I grew myself as I grew into this small little world.
Right.
Like I discovered other things. That's how it
but
all.
how but how did that happen? Like, were you in this field because of your father, or did you want to be something like this?
So
Like, I'm sure the you got influenced by your dad.
yeah, I mean I did it. I mean I've मतलब literally मतलब मैं backstage में chill करता था. मेरे dad की तभी plays
Hmm.
चलते होते थे. Like he was
Hmm.
also doing theater. He was also doing television. He was also doing a lot of films back then. Like talking about some 15 years from now.
Right.
Yeah, I think 10 to 15 years from now. So just almost a decade ago. Uh,
Hmm.
and he was pretty much like मतलब बहुत कुछ चल रहा था और मतलब तब ऐसा था कि अच्छा ठीक है बच्चा छोटा है क्या करेगा लेकर जाते इसको तो
Yeah.
मतलब वैसे हाँ तो मेरा बचपन बैकस्टेज में मतलब लिटरली भाईदास में मतलब भाईदास तो मतलब सबको पता ही है भाईदास में मतलब ऐसा बचपन बिताया है मैंने सो I've spent a lot of time in and around theatrical spaces theaters
Right.
and stage in general.
Okay, so the first thing was theater.
Yeah, my like the first time I was introduced uh, to to an expression मतलब मुझे वो
Right.
बात समझ में कह रही ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है वो तब मेरे मतलब वो जस्ट मतलब adolescence खत्म हुआ था तब मुझे वो थोड़ा बहुत उसका सेंस था तब से which is why like
Mm-hmm.
it उसका influence है like you said yeah it's
Yeah, yeah.
because I
Yeah,
was
of course it
introduced
happens.
to yeah so I was introduced to theater because of my father and like I'm so grateful that I am
In
I
arts.
have been yeah like I have been there under his wing so मतलब
Hmm.
वो तो है ही then like school happened but like मैंने कभी acting मतलब ऐसा किया नहीं था so basically when I went on stage for the first time that was in one of my dad's play it was a very small character वो सा interval के बाद आता था एक play में
Hmm.
play का नाम था रंगीलो it's a Gujarati
Right.
play
Yeah.
which is based on a Marathi play called Haswa Phasvi which is written and directed by uh, uh,
Yeah, it
uh,
happens with names.
yeah. It happens with. I can't believe I have to Google his name, man. But like, sometimes Dilip Prabhakar sir. Dilip
Oh,
Prabhakar sir.
okay.
He's a veteran. He's a legend in himself. He's a playwright. He's an actor. He's been directing plays, and he's done a lot of work. तो मतलब उनका एक मराठी प्ले था जिससे मतलब डैड ने एक हिंदी में उसको
Sure.
गुजराती में उसको हाँ ट्रांसलेट किया था सो उसी प्ले में मैं एक छोटा सा मतलब एक कैरेक्टर मतलब डैड ने वजह से मजाक में पूछ लिया था एक बार करेगा क्या हाँ कर लूंगा
Hmm.
मतलब देखते हैं पहले बहुत शर्मा रहा था मैं पहले तो मतलब वो एक एक्सपीरियंस होगा मतलब आई रिहर्स्ड विद हिम ही वाज माय फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर आई रिहर्स्ड विद हिम ही
Hmm.
मेड श्योर दैट हाँ मेरे को सब याद है परफॉर्म किया एंड दैट वाज like the first time I went on stage
Hmm.
and that was the time I was like oh okay वो स्टेज पे
Hmm.
जाने के बाद ऐसे पैर हिलने लगता है वो एंजाइटी होती है पता है सब मतलब कोई भी किसी भी परफॉर्मेंस में, whether you're a
Oh yeah.
sportsman, you're an artist, you're whatever, if you're performing, you feel that anxiety, and I felt that anxiety at a very young age. I was 8 years old. और तब मुझे समझ में आया कि यार ये बहुत कमाल की चीज है, ये क्या चीज है। मैं यहाँ आता हूँ, मैं कुछ समय बिताता हूँ, थोड़ा समय बिताता हूँ एक्टर्स के
And it's a
साथ,
whole
दूसरे
new
आर्टिस्ट
set.
के साथ, और हाँ, और एक पब्लिक बैठी है अंधेरे में, तुम्हें देख रही है, और देयर इज अ कनेक्शन, कुछ
Right.
हो रहा है, कुछ चल रहा है, बहुत वियर्ड है, बहुत बड़ा कुछ चल रहा है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन बहुत ब्यूटीफुल था वो एक्सपीरियंस इन जनरल। तो वैसे हुआ, लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने मतलब कभी मतलब स्कूल लाइफ तो बहुत अलग गया। आई वाज इनटू म्यूजिक,
You were in
ऐसा सीन
music.
था।
That was the weirdest thing.
या
I didn't know you were in music unless you came on the film and did music. I thought you were
या
just the writer director guy.
नो यस, मतलब हुआ यार। सो लाइक essentially I'm a musician at heart. Matlab, I didn't
Ah.
really I fancied okay acting and like performing arts and stuff like that. Matlab, I fancied all of that, but my first love will always be, and it was music.
Music?
I
Wow.
yeah, I picked up
That's
the guitar.
completely reversed for me. I love this. I also
Yeah,
want to do music, but you know what I mean? Like, it's the secondary thing for me.
right.
Yeah.
वो हो जाता है, like once you develop, अरे यार, this is I do for, there's a very thin line between hobby and passion,
Oh, yes.
right? Yeah, like hobbies you can do passionately, but your passion cannot
Can't
only
be a
be
hobby.
your
Yeah.
hobby. Yeah, like not just a hobby, you need to like, passionate तो सब होते हैं यार, लेकिन hobbies अलग चीज होती है altogether. It's a different thing. You can still be in love with that and do something else because you also love that. ऐसा कुछ hard and fast
You know,
नहीं है.
now I'm just thinking this after this heavy question. I realized कि शुरुआत heavy question से नहीं करनी चाहिए.
हाँ यार, मतलब बहुत कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं हम लोग, अरे यार मुझे लाइफ के बारे में सोचना है, और अब तक लाइफ इतनी सही चल रही थी और अचानक मैं फ्लैशबैक में जा रहा हूँ।
मैं पूछता रहा था क्या क्या हालचाल ये वो, और थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करना था नॉर्मल स्टफ, बट आई डोंट नो इवन आई थिंक कि मैंने पूछा कि कैसे चल रहा है, बट टू गिव एवरीवन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट हु इज लिसनिंग, योर डैड is Manoj Joshi, dude. Like, I'm a big fan. You know, I was thinking this. Right now, Dharmaj is doing really well. He has his own play, and you know, he's doing really cool. And if after 4-5 years, you know, it just blasts off, would the nepotism debate apply to you too? I was just thinking this. And this is completely as a joke. Okay, you don't.
Yeah, of course. No, but I'm trying to like get it in context because it is a very relevant question. Because I belong from a family of an artist.
Yeah, I get it. But I also know that you like, you're not. I didn't even know that you were his son. Like, I thought knew ki okay.
Right, you found out much later. Like,
much later. And someone told me. I didn't even inquire. Someone just told me, dude, you started this, and I thought, oh shit, I'm this big fan first of all, and then oh, wow. But yeah,
right,
so what have you doing? What have you been doing right now?
I have been like spending a lot of time reading quite a few things. I mean, not novels and none of that.
What are you reading?
But like just like
the knowledge part,
like,
the memo. Are you reading memos?
No, not memos. Like just reading random blogs. I like to Google things. I like to like go on Wikipedia. I like to do R&D.
Oh yeah, it's really fun.
Yeah, it's really fun. I like to. So I'm more of a non-fiction guy. Yeah, you found a page. I mean,
yeah, same. Go ahead. I'll tell you later.
अच्छा सही है. So yeah, मतलब वही है. That's it. I mean, nothing more. I'm just like
yeah, same. I don't read novels, and I recently recently got interested in politics now. It started from American politics because first of all मेरे को इंडिया का समझ में नहीं आता था कि क्या हो रहा है ये सब. Civics में पढ़ा था, but उसमें पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ा था, उसमें समझने के लिए नहीं पढ़ा था.
हाँ.
And now I'm just starting to get into politics, and I'm just researching about it, writing, because I'm writing for 3-4 blogs, and I'm also in this I'm in this new college newspaper.
Oh, right. Oh, of course. उसका मतलब teaser भी आया है. I checked. Things are going great. The magazine. मैंने कभी वो magazine पढ़ी नहीं है यार. I've only seen a copy. I've never actually like held it in my hand.
Same.
Like, पता ही
I
नहीं, मतलब
didn't
आया
even
ही
know
नहीं.
there was a magazine.
देखिए
मेरे
मैंने
को
बस.
पता चला कि न्यूज़पेपर नहीं है, and newspaper is, it's fundamentally a universal. Like I've seen it in Hollywood movies and everything.
Yeah.
Like they say कि college newspaper came out, college has a podcast and everything, and over here podcast is still a strange thing to many people.
College has a podcast.
Yeah.
Okay. Voracious. So tell me something about Voracious, man. Like, how did you come
It's
up with
voracious.
what Voracious? Voracious. Okay.
Yeah.
Apologies.
I'm joking.
But like, yeah. But so how did you conceive like
This.
Have you been listening to podcasts? Were you like what's your journey like, man? How did you come up with something like this?
Oh, thanks, man. I mean, so I remember this 8th, 9th, I was listening to AIB, and AIB started this thing called podcasts, which I didn't even know was a thing. But these guys just used to hang out. These guys were discussing the same things which I was discussing with my friends, but these guys were just recording it. And these guys had much funnier opinions, which I had. You know? I thought, I want to do something like this. This is so cool. And comedy was I was always attracted to comedy. I always like to laugh. So I just thought I'll do something like this. But then I saw Friends and I realized I want to do this. So I came into filmmaking. I was in acting and everything, but I was doing engineering as a degree.
Okay.
And I saw Friends and I saw Big Bang and Office and I realized I want to do comedy. I also want to do filmmaking so therefore I want to make shows. Therefore I came into this college.
Right.
And before this also I started this.
सबको पता है. हाँ, मतलब almost सबको पता.
अरे नहीं, कभी-कभी है ना, मैंने थोड़ा सा बोल दिया ऊपर नीचे तो इसलिए बोलता नहीं हूँ.
ये एडिट कर लेंगे बाद में, ठीक है.
हाँ, वही नाम बीप कर देंगे अपन. हाँ, तो yeah, that happened, and 3 years back I remember I started this Keval Bora show. The goal was to make it a talk show, but as I didn't have any experience and I had some contacts, so I started it, and some really great guests came in. Like Remo D'Souza was the first person who appeared. Then Terence Lewis came in, then Preetika Rao, then some Spitzvilla people, then Mr. India came in.
Right.
And so many came in, but that was not working out because people thought I was a journalist rather than a guy who wanted to chat. So I ended that and I started this. But initially it was planned to do a production thing, but I just didn't have money. So I started this with a podcast.
Sweet stuff. Nice, yeah.
You tell me about Second Innings, dude. I was really impressed when Second Innings came.
You've watched it, right? I mean, tu dekh rahe hain.
I've seen parts of it. I haven't seen the whole picture.
Like you've seen it in the rehearsal process.
Yeah. Because जब भी shows लगे थे, मैं जब भी प्लान करा था आने का और उसके बाद ये कोविड आ गया and something just it didn't go. Like 3-4 shows ही थे. I remember this.
Yeah, no, we did 6 shows. और मतलब ऐसा था कि छठा शो हो रहा था और मतलब 7th 8th शो हम लोग का लॉकडाउन में चला गया. वैसा सीन हो गया. So मतलब we started, so पैंडेमिक तो आ गया था, लेकिन ऐसा था कि हम लोग ने 4 शोज कर दिए. उसके बाद पैंडेमिक अनाउंस हुआ था ग्लोबली. आई थिंक
I guess मार्च में हुआ था.
March में हुआ था, right? First week of March. And I remember having like the last 2 shows, like the 5th and 6th show in the first week of March. First, second week of March. I don't remember the date. Apologies, I'm not good with dates. But like, yeah, so वैसा था और उसके बाद हमारा आगे का शो एक कैंसिल हो गया. But it's been a fun process, यार. मतलब Second Innings is a play that is going to be like really close to my heart. For where, like,
first play.
Yeah, first play. Not my first play. I have been I had directed of an act.
You produced the play. You also
right.
It's not just a college anymore. It's just not a college play anymore. It comes out commercially. That's the process, which is really cool, which I was fascinated about.
It's not even like, I mean, I wouldn't even call it professional, but like it is kind of an independent expression. The whole idea is to. We'll talk about the idea later. We'll talk about the process also. But like, yeah, it's just an independent expression. Because
it's like taking an indie film and releasing it into select theaters.
Selected theaters. Like not even theaters, man. Like small projection rooms. किसी college में किसी some like having like small screenings at Doolally or something like that.
But
So
still,
that was the initial
the response was very well too.
Yeah, we had very successful shows. Touchwood, we did really. I mean, we were appreciated really. We were received really well, and yeah, it's quite a fun thing to actually make something and actually like find and gather the balls to actually go out and present it in front of people. So it is a life changing experience in some way. Like it really any form of expression, if you're just expressing, and if you know that this needs to be out there on a platform, and you make sure that your expression reaches that platform, that is a life changing game altogether. It will change you as an artist. I mean, if you're not trying to reach out, if you're an artist and not trying to reach out, you are missing out on something. You really need to experience this. Reach out.
But I mean, also artists, you need to have an audience too, right?
Yes. Like, I'm not really talking about, like, when I say art, I'm not really talking about like a big platform. I'm not really saying that if you like your podcast, you're doing this and you're doing this because you like to do it, and you are just like putting it out there. You don't really right now. You don't really. I mean, I don't know, but like, you don't really care about views. You don't really care about how many people are going to watch my hear my podcast. Similarly, I didn't really. I mean, we did
this
care.
Is a visual
there was
thing.
some. I'm sorry.
This is a visual thing. Do you know that, right?
No.
This will be. Oh my god! You don't know this?
No.
This is a video thing which is going to be taped. This is getting taped right now, and we'll be cutting.
So you're doing an audio bit. Yeah. Okay, so it's an audio video podcast.
Yeah.
Not a.
No, the thing is, before also one guest didn't know, and he was like very, very confused when he got to know that, oh my god, I'm not looking the best. You know what I mean? He was really scared, and we had to schedule. But I was just saying that
I was like, हाँ मतलब जब शुरू हुआ था वैसा था, अरे बाल ठीक नहीं हो, मतलब छोड़, हो जाएगा, देख लेंगे. क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
I put this T-shirt on for the first time. खाली podcast के लिए मेरे को मजा आता है. Like podcast के लिए I dress now. It's nothing else. क्योंकि घर पे ही बैठा हूँ यार.
Shit, I would have worn my best apparel. लेकिन ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
No, I'm joking. You do.
नहीं, I knew. I had an idea that you are doing, like, you're going to record it. So of course, like, तो phone call ही record करता, video Zoom पे क्यों बुलाता? Exactly. मतलब idea तो था कि तू ये कर रहा है. So like, yeah, you don't really care about who's going to watch it. What you really care about is that I want to have a conversation, and I want to find expression in that,
right,
and present that expression. Right, that's it. And that's not it. There are other things if you look at this professionally.
From a business POV,
from a business point, like from a commercial, there is commerce involved. Of course, there must be commerce involved. But if you keep that commerce aside for a while, all you're left with is expression.
Right.
And that is the whole core.
And the expression is also the fuel for the commerce to go ahead.
Right. It's correlated. You can use it in any way. It's like an equation. But like, yeah. So when I did second innings, I didn't really care about that. It started off as a very different thing, because I had just like एक साल intercollegiate. I mean, I don't know for the viewers who don't know what intercollegiate competitions are like. The intercollege competitions, youth festival का नाम सुना होगा. So basically colleges compete, and we have like, so every team, like every college has a dramatics team. Like there's a drama team. They do ड्रामा प्रोडक्शंस होते हैं कॉलेज के, जो उमंग मल्हार छोटे फेस्टिवल्स में बेचते रहते हैं, और मतलब बड़े फेस्टिवल्स में भी बेचते हैं कुछ कॉलेजेस. और इंटर कॉलेज कॉम्पिटिशंस अलग भी होते हैं, मतलब नॉट जस्ट लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी एफिलिएटेड, लेकिन ओपन कॉम्पिटिशंस भी होते हैं कॉलेजेस के लिए. सो ड्रामा कॉम्पिटिशंस की बात करूं तो एक साल पूरा उसमें गया. मतलब ऐसा था कि
तो शुरुआत तो उसमें हुई थी ना, सेकंड इनिंग्स की.
हाँ, शुरुआत तो उसमें, मतलब दैट इज वेयर द होल थिंग वाज कंसीव्ड. And so yeah, second innings is actually based on a short story which I read, written by Thomas Hardy. And
okay.
Yeah, the short story is called The Sun's Veto. Okay, and I had this in my ninth. Like I'm from an IGCSE board, so मतलब हम लोग को मतलब केम्ब्रिज रेकमेंड करती थी, तो हम लोग को बहुत मतलब वो बहुत हैवी बुक थी वो, और उसमें से हम लोग को कुछ 8 से 11 से शॉर्ट स्टोरीज याद करनी पड़ी.
We were in ICSE, but we had similar things too.
So like we had a nice it's a nice collection. I still have the book, I still have a copy, and thanks to Ashish sir gave me a copy one day, and I could like photocopy it because I had lost my original copy, and I found one lying in the post production room. I'm like, sir, ये किसका है? बोला मेरे को चाहिए, मेरे को दो please. And this was right before जब college just start हुआ था, और तभी मतलब फिर मेरे दिमाग में चल ही रहा था कि अरे यार आखिरी साल है और ड्रामा करना है, और फिल्म्स तो हाँ मतलब बनाएंगे, लेकिन पहले ड्रामा थिएटर, पैशन है वो मेरा.
Also, drama is referred to as a tougher thing rather than film, of course. Like मुझे याद है कि I mean like you, because it's live ना. अभी मेरी थोड़ी सी फट गई थी जब मुझे पता चला कि I'm joining the drama team and I'll be doing stuff like this. और क्योंकि I was from the film background, I was from the TV show thing, and when I came here थोड़ी सी मेरी फट गई थी कि यार I don't know how this will work out.
Arre, I would disagree with the statement you just made. It is
okay.
I don't think it is like it is more or less. There is no more or less. There are different processes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but I'm just comparing, and okay, comparison is maybe not just.
But in what way are you saying? Like in what way? Because like
from an actor's POV, I'm talking.
From an actor's point of view, I would still say no. I mean, the techniques vary. It's more challenging, yes, of course. It demands like different things. You see, like theater mein, I am required to be in character only for 2 hours.
Yeah, right? That's true too. Yeah.
But in cinema, like when I'm actually shooting, the filmmaking process, the whole production process requires an actor to be in character, or to at least be able to like play the character for months put together.
Yeah, sure.
So it's a different ball game, and it asks for different things. I think these mediums have their own little set of skill sets required to actually be able to pull that medium off. It's technique ka baat hai. So yeah, but they're equally challenging. Filmmaking is equally needs to be on your like, but because like
go ahead.
अरे नहीं but पूछ ले यार मतलब please.
नहीं I was just thinking कि मुझे पूछना तुझे आपको तुझे तुमको क्या sorry मैं तुझे पूछा था कि
मुझे तुझे तू करके बुला सकता है. मैं तो कितने साल तो केवल how old are you?
I'm 19.
19. I'm just 2 years older to you. I'm just 21-year-old.
Yeah, you just graduated third. Did you get अच्छा तुम लोग का हुआ नहीं ना ग्रेजुएशन?
नहीं ग्रेजुएशन हुआ नहीं है, लॉकडाउन में अटका हुआ है. हमारा थीसिस फिल्म लॉकडाउन में अटका हुआ है. अभी पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन खत्म हो रहा है, वो बात अलग है. लाइक एवरीथिंग sunk.
Yeah.
और ऐसा मतलब we didn't have like written paper, like हम लोग का एक बोर्ड पेपर था, बट हमारा डिग्री हमें फिल्म सबमिट करने के बाद मिलेगा.
फिल्म कब बनेगी? और अभी तो फिल्म बन रही है. फिल्म शूट हो गया,
अभी प्रोडक्शन हो गया.
एडिटिंग इज आल्सो डन ना?
Yeah, post production finishing stages में है सब कुछ, mixing phases में है.
Oh, right now is the part where you come in majorly.
Yeah.
You and Achal sir, right?
Achal sir is not working on Shunya anymore.
Ooh. So you are the only guy who's doing the music?
I'm not doing music. So ये तो gossip मिल गया यार तेरे को. You getting like at least 100 more views.
From the college itself.
From the college. अच्छा सर मैंने शून्य कर रहे थे.
ये separate clip जाएगा promotion clip Mauritius case पे.
Exactly.
अच्छा सर not doing it.
But no, he had his reasons. उनके कुछ commitments होंगे. I'm sure.
Of course, yeah.
Rough and tough नहीं था. I mean बहुत peacefully हो रहा है सब. हो रहा है. Vidar is getting like the team is getting another music director on board. I am only doing the sound design. with a friend of mine, my colleague, Keyur Marolia.
Keyur Marolia, yeah.
Yeah, he's a sound engineer. He's a sound recordist. I mean, he's not like, he's still a student like you. I mean, he's 20-year-old. So even he's studying right now. So, but he is quite experienced. I mean, he has a lot of on-field experience, and he's good
That's
at his
nice.
craft. Yeah. So
You know,
we collaborated. Yeah.
Yeah, I was
So
thinking this key. Go ahead. You go ahead and I'll say.
नहीं मतलब वो मैं खत्म कर
नहीं,
दूं
mine is a
मतलब
bad joke.
Oh, jokes first. Please tell me.
I was just thinking that I'm plugging Shunya on voracious more than semicolon.
Okay.
And I'm just about to ask Vidar for some money now.
Nice marketing strategy.
But then I realized that I am also the marketing guy, so I can't technically.
So
I'll just handle
marketing.
Twitter then. I'm the marketing associate.
Okay.
Which is just a fancy term.
What does a marketing associate do? How is he associated with the marketing campaign?
Yeah, it's like I actually demanded assistant to the marketing head.
Okay.
Because it was something like Dwight thing too for the office, and also a title which was very clear on everyone's head. You know what I mean? Like सबको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या है इसका काम. Associate creates questions कि what are you doing?
Associated. I am associated. We're like, okay, what? How?
Yeah, it's just a fancy term. But what I do is I handle the social, and we used to have meetings ki how can we push the film ahead, and what else can we do. And I also help in small things, something like कि film festivals में कौन सी film festivals हैं भेजने हैं और कहाँ ये करना है वो XYZ. Some technical boring stuff.
Okay.
But that was going on. अभी थोड़ा सा शांत हो गया यार, क्योंकि right now this pandemic is not letting the heat rise up.
Yeah.
If it was college thing, we used to meet every day, and ऐसा होता ना बात में ऐसा रहता है कि अरे करते ये करते वो करते
momentum होता है चीजों का. It's like a pendulum. The further you take it back, and like it's a momentum होता है चीजों का. फिर एक बार वो रुक गया बीच में, अगर conflicting कुछ force आ जाता है तो वो momentum भी रुक जाता है. Then you have to gain that momentum again. So that's the most wonderful thing about processes. Yeah, what's your most song of the year, the song that inspired you the most this year or last year, 2019-20? One song.
I'll say this is not the best choice, but it's John Mayer's Gravity.
Okay. Are you in love, my friend?
I kind of was, but bach gaye.
Sweet.
But it didn't quite work out and everything. And now I'm just really happy because I have a ton of content to speak. For stand-up, I have so many more jokes.
Right.
Because she and this time I'm not even playing the blaming game, but it just didn't work out well. And she was just evil. She was just a Satan. I'm joking.
Evil. Oh my God! If she's watching this.
Oh, I don't care anymore. Because abhi to scene nahi hai. Like now, I don't see. This is the thing which before starting this podcast, I realized that now I'll be having so much more material because I have had some crazy experiences, and I will have so much material to say. And more. And Robin Williams had this bar which was amazing. He said that comedy is the only art form in which you can use everything you know. And I guess filmmaking and writing is one of them too. But comedy, you can make a joke about it and you can, release it. And that is why it was really cool that everything which happens to me, I just make a joke about it and it gets easy. It sort of acts like a therapy.
Right. Jokes are
like I just put it out.
Yeah, they take pain. It's like वो राहुल गांधी बोलता है यहाँ से आलू डालो वहां से सोना निकलेगा. वो लेकिन jokes do that, man. यहाँ से तुम दर्द डालो वहां से एक्सप्रेशन निकलता है और वो एक बहुत वॉइस बन जाता है, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉइस बन जाता है यार. Which is why jokes are very important.
Jokes are very important.
Jokes are very important.
It's like Neil Brennan said this really cool thing, which was the best thing which I related to. It was like because 3-4 things happened. You know, always you have some tragedies in your life. Everyone does, and sometimes for me, humor was the best thing. Like, oh, हंस लिया तो अच्छा लग रहा है. And Neil Brennan said something like, if the whole world is drowning, jokes act like a small air bubble for me.
They do.
It's like that, which I thought was, whoa, how cool is that? And I wanted to, and then I realized, I want to do something with this. So I started stand-up now. I'm doing stand-up in lockdown, which no one is doing.
That's great, man. Fuck.
Yeah,
please check out
his open mics.
तू कर रहा है ना, मतलब you're doing like live events.
I am doing live events. I am doing live events and open mics. Wow. But the thing is, I don't share it with anyone, because if I bomb, I just don't want to let anyone see it.
Look, I said something earlier. I'm going to say it again. If you are expressing, please present it. You will.
But there is an audience anyways. So that's the thing. I tested out these jokes on my friends before, and they loved it. And I thought I was the next Dave Chappelle. Right? I thought that. And when I did my first open mic, and I did a poem where I said my dad is a pedophile, and I thought, and on paper that was really funny, but I bombed so bad that they didn't even give me a spot for next week. And I didn't want my friends to see that. You know what I mean? It's like that. Because friends ke samne to izzat alag hai na thoda sa ki, oh, Keval is doing podcast, Keval is doing this, Keval is doing that. It's that. I'm sure but it's a similar thing with everyone. Na? I'm sure you won't even want your bad work to be seen by your friends or anyone. And friends are the worst thing. Like, even though you trust them and everything, but you know, it's like a baggage in your life.
I mean, I like to share something with you, and like everybody actually. ऐसा है कि मत judge करो यार. It's okay if others are going to judge your work, but you don't decide what is good or bad for you. If it's things may work, things may not work, but I don't think there's a good or bad. Let the audience stay with it. If it's let it be good or bad for them if they have to make judgments. But if we become judgmental about our own art form, I think that'll be a hassle for our own growth.
Yeah, but you're talking about judgment about your own art form. No, I'm not talking about art form here. I'm just talking about my thinking. Sometimes, you know, this is really cool, but sometimes it just is not.
Okay. Tell me one thing. Like, so everything is everything that you do is something that you're proud of? Can everything that you do, you can't be proud of everything.
Yeah, it's not that. But some things it's like a hierarchy which you set. Some things you are proud of the most, some things you are proud of, all right, it's that all right zone. But then it's the work which you are thinking better हो सकता है और इतना अच्छा नहीं है ये, तो अपन थोड़ा सा उसको पीछे छुपा के रख देते हैं. It's like
छुपाना, हाँ.
It's like a short film which is just bad, which you just 2 साल पहले बनाई थी, अब रियलाइज हो रहा कि नहीं इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, तो मैंने छुपा दी वो.
वो तो मतलब यार सब बड़े-बड़े दिग्गज कह के गया, तुम you will never be able to make the film you want to make. I mean, it's never going to be how you want it to be. It's never like that. But like
it's also the revolutionary thing, ना?
Like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं खराब काम कर रहा हूँ ना, तो मुझे उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना चाहिए. As an artist, मुझे अगर मैं खराब काम कर रहा हूँ और अगर I am aware about the fact that I am doing bad work, I will put it out there so that I get a real time feedback. Okay, this is not working. It's sort of a reality check. It also,
but
I'll tell you, it really, I mean, it may really build character in some way. Like बहुत सारे वीडियोस ऐसे हुए हैं कि यार बहुत सारे चैनल्स हैं ऐसा जो मतलब पहले गालियां यूज करते थे और अब गालियां कम हो गई होंगी. क्या क्योंकि आउटरेज था थोड़ा ऑडियंस में. ब्रो ये तो क्या मस्त सीन है यार, मतलब घर पे मतलब एंटरटेनमेंट का कमी नहीं है अभी, मतलब जब से
I know.
सेंसेशनलाइज हुआ है सब कुछ इतना मीडिया पे, मतलब मुझे आई डोंट वांट टू लाइक स्पेसिफाई व्हाट एम आई टॉकिंग अबाउट, लाइक यू नो
Okay.
a lot of things are playing on air, टीवी पे चलता
Yeah.
रहता है, कुछ तो चलता है, एक है
Mm-hmm.
लाल कलर का चैनल, एक है पीला कलर का चैनल,
Yes,
कुछ तो
I know.
होता रहता है वहां पे, और वो मतलब कितना मतलब ये थॉट मुझे कभी मतलब दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई थिंक we as artists need to do. We need to, I think, like, don't you feel like the audience is becoming a little more aggressive?
It's very aggressive right now. I had this talk with Anirban Dasgupta in the last podcast itself. He's a stand-up comedian, and he he gets a lot of hits at times. So he released a whole special because he had to remove one of his videos, which was just he was just talking about his own mother and Netaji, and that video got so much hate that he had to take it down. And he just said, "Ki right now, people are taking offense as a tic tac. It's like that. It's not just about offense anymore. It's just that audience is getting because अभी सब घर पे बैठे यार. अभी तो थोड़ा सा वही हो गया है, और उसके पहले भी बहुत बढ़ गया था, धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, because right now it's all social thing ना. It's even if you are not that angry, but if you see a tweet where I say some really bad stuff about someone, it's in your mind now, right? And you maybe you are a social pleaser, so you will just retweet my thing, and it turns out I guess it's something
it's
like
like
that.
it's a chain reaction, bro. Like marketing and PR, मतलब ये तो मतलब ठीक है, हमारे फिर मतलब CFT NMP के कोर्स में भी हम लोग को था, सब्जेक्ट है, भले यार ये पूरा जो है, ये पूरा जो इमेज बिल्डिंग का ये है मामला, तुम एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हो तो तुम पर एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, यू आर एन ओपिनियन लीडर इन सम वे, तुम जो बोल रहे हो वो हजारों लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का थॉट प्रोसेस इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है
100%.
तो वो किस तरह से इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है, मतलब ओके आई गेट दैट व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग फाइन, इट्स आई मीन लाइक यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेपोटिज्म, मतलब ठीक है, हम सड़क 2 के साथ जो हुआ पूरा वो एपिसोड सबको पता है, लाइक
God, that was crazy.
dislike, right? Aggressive word, okay fine, that is still a strong voice, okay fine, I take that as a public opinion कि public ने आवाज उठाया, लेकिन उसके बाद खाली पीली का टीजर आया, और खाली पीली मतलब बिना को मतलब आई नो मतलब जो काम कर रहे हैं उसमें वो भी मतलब इंडस्ट्री में है. Ishan is also like, he's a fantastic guy. I like him.
Oh yeah,
he's
very
a nice, like he's a promising performer.
I saw A Suitable Boy, lovely work.
तो मतलब ऐसा होना, we shouldn't overdo some things, and like sometimes we must keep quiet and let things, but एक हाँ वो भी है कि Indians बहुत sensitive लोग, ऐसा मुझे लगता है, मेरा opinion है.
It's like in India, you read this superstar mentality.
No.
So in first year we had that superstar thing, that India has people who are so famous and they take the charge. So it's like that on a minimal level. It's like being famous doesn't mean you are correct. You have to understand that over here it's not that. It's just that anyone who is famous can spread hate and spread love, but when they choose to spread hate, and people follow over there, and it's just there, you read comments on these people's posts, man, Instagram posts, जो वो शांति से थोड़ा बहुत आराम कर रहे हैं उससे भी कर रहे हैं, और people are just saying so much to them which is not even appropriate to say over here.
हाँ मतलब यार, मतलब अभी रिसेंटली इंस्टाग्राम ने भाव का अकाउंट हटा दिया है, इंस्टाग्राम ने भाव को बोला निकल. हाँ, so it backfired, like that's karma in some way. I mean, कुछ तो हुआ. ऐसा लग रहा है कि सोसाइटी बहुत हार्श बन रही है, like we're making this world
it's laughing now. It's like if you see Twitter, or and if you have your location sometimes as US, I sometimes just to see their trends, I set my location as US, and always there is something trending which is blank, the person's name is over party. These guys are having fun at someone who is just getting cancelled, and betting cancel is like this now. You just say one thing and you will get cancelled, right? Like this. Cancel culture is growing, and it's like to people's careers which they have dreamt of making, for a really long time, and these guys careers are getting wasted in a second, which is I think a little way too much harsh.
बहुत सैड है यार. मतलब मैं कुछ बोलने के पहले 10 बार सोचूं. ठीक है, सोचना चाहिए हर इंसान को सोचना चाहिए कुछ स्ट्रक्चर में, कुछ तरीके से बोल. मतलब हर चीज का एक मतलब एक अंदाज होता है, एक लहजा होता है बोलने का. मतलब एक तहसीब होती है. मतलब वो एक रहता है कि you have to present things a certain way.
Yes.
You can't be like responsible बनो expression के साथ. मतलब बस उतना ही फर्क है यार.
But it's just that taking offense is very easy right now, no? It's just people sitting behind their screens and just have to just move their thumbs.
Yeah, just like dislike and saying fuck you.
It's very easy, and therefore it's getting popular faster.
Popular faster is like easier expression, no? Dislike कर दिया हो गया, comments कर लिया हो गया.
And मतलब इतना it is like कि वो उसके ग्रुप में जो बंदा कर रहा होगा ऐसा, वो उसके ग्रुप में हीरो होगा. लाइक वो अपने दोस्तों को सुना रहा है कि अरे आज शाहरुख को 2 गाली दी, मजा आ गया.
हाँ वो भाई अपन कमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं, हो सके तो तू ये स्क्रॉल करना वीडियो में. अपन जस्ट मैं इधर कंप्यूटर के सामने हूँ, मैं खाली पीली के कमेंट्स पढ़ना चाहता हूँ ऐसे ही. लेकिन वो कमेंट्स मतलब कुछ बहुत हिलेरियस. हाँ रुक जा, ये तो मतलब बहुत क्रेजी. मैं कमेंट्स पढ़ के तो वैसा था कि मच क्या रहा है, लोग कितने फ्री है लाइफ पे. लोगों ने एक्चुअली मतलब dedication. I created one. Right, so the comments we shouldn't spread. Okay, the first comment is like by somebody, we shouldn't spread negativity. Both the actors have done such good job.
Right.
That's good. Let's just skip to the fun part. Wait. This is cool. सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बेचारे को कितना 18,000 मिले, इसलिए टॉप कमेंट है. And it's pinned by Z Studios, इसलिए वो 18,000 पे. But anyway,
oh, this is I'm reading this one.
Anas Nayyar.
Exactly.
Anas Nayyar. I can touch my nose with my tongue. Me, Ananya, I can touch my nose with my tongue. Me, I dislike this trailer with my tongue. At 5,000.
5,000 exactly.
200 replies.
Actually, it's nearly 6,000 now.
There's a comment by Magnum Boy. The Magnum Boy, एक घंटे पहले, like the pinned comment is a fake account created by Z Studios. Conspiracy हो गई.
Oh man.
Oh, there's another comment.
संगीता शेट्टी का देख.
Kids dislike men report. Legends come again and again to see how much dislike increases. This is crazy.
Bad.
उसके ऊपर Ash Motion Films commented 1 hour ago. Ananya's dialogues are struggling a lot because they have never been to coffee with Karan. Ooh.
Oh bad. Oh, that was a snarky thing to say.
Again, a new mission, Gamer X. Make this trailer also one of the most disliked trailer.
Okay. Yeah, India की audience, you know, I was just thinking this कि काफी अच्छे music videos है by really great and really popular pop stars, rock stars. And some of their videos only have 7-8 million views. And they think it's a lot. And it is a lot, of course. But यहाँ पे इंडिया में 7-8 million views तो चिल्लर के जैसे जाते हैं.
हाँ, अरे
it's like that.
125 crore अभी तो मतलब आंकड़ा बदल गया.
और अभी तो बढ़ेगा यार आफ्टर दिस कोविड.
हाँ बढ़ेगा, लेकिन हाँ मतलब वो प्लस माइनस अगले सेंसस में पता चलेगा क्या है. 125 crore. Voice your opinion. It's nice that you're voicing your opinion. This will definitely have a lot of this will all this public outrage will like reflect in the coming time. मतलब पता चलेगा आई थिंक, मतलब अभी तो मतलब झक मार के लोगों को मतलब है, देखो ऐसा नहीं है, पार्शियलिटी नहीं है ऐसा तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा भाई, ये तो तुम्हें भी पता है और ये मुझे भी पता है कि पिक्चरों में, बड़ी बड़ी पिक्चरों में, मुझे नाम तो नहीं लेंगे लेकिन बड़ी बड़ी पिक्चरों में हमें पता होता है हीरो कौन है, उनको पता होता है हीरोइन कौन,
तो हीरो के नाम पे पिक्चर बनती है।
हाँ तो मतलब वो सीन तो है, और मतलब वो टाइप कास्ट भी मतलब बहुत अलग अलग चीज है यार, देयर आर सो मेनी
धीरे-धीरे बदलेगा,
धीरे धीरे बदलेगा, लाइक वी नीड एक्टिविज्म इन द इंडस्ट्री, बट we need it to happen more mindfully. It can't be just through public outrage. I mean, public outrage is not cool, man. Like, for right, wrong, I don't care. It's an outrage. There are better ways to express. Because we are responsible people.
yeah,
We should ideally दिमाग दिया है, mind
I
दिया
guess
है तो
I guess वही producers जब भी, you know, after this I think so producers will have to do have to make their moves a little differently. They'll have to have some kids who are not just nepotism kids.
You know,
And
right? What happens,
even though as talented they might be, but अभी मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा सा fair chance मिलेगा बाकी लोगों को, and because of this OTT thing, काफी films और बनेगी क्योंकि अभी right now OTT is on a meteoric rise.
Right. So, like FIFA तो मतलब बहुत controversial है, बहुत conspiracy FIFA में भी है, लेकिन FIFA में, so I was having this conversation with my brother last night. He's a football fan, like he watches football, he follows the game. So he was like, why does everybody hate Manchester United and Man City so much? And he was like, why do people hate so many clubs, like something like Manchester City or something like Manchester United? क्यों hate क्यों करते हैं? मतलब उसने बोला कि यार basically ये जो छोटे-छोटे clubs है ना, these are owned by like, imagine ये लोग के बजट कितने होते हैं, 900 मिलियन का बजट होता है एक गेम खेलने के लिए, मतलब एक गेम खेलने के लिए, एक टीम बनाने के लिए 900 मिलियन का बजट होता है, तो इतना सारा पैसा आता कहाँ से है? तो जितने भी अमीर क्लब्स है ना, वो तो या तो मतलब यूरोपियन ब्यूरोक्रेट्स है या तो मिडिल ईस्टर्न ब्यूरोक्रेट्स है। Right. अब ऑफ कोर्स मेरे पास अगर ज्यादा पैसा है तो मैं ऑफ कोर्स मैं एक स्टार टीम खड़ी क्यों ना करूं, मेरे पास पैसा है, मैं करूं ना।
So they are just adding best players from everywhere.
Yeah, which is why like Manchester United was like one of the best teams for a very long time. Man City के साथ, I don't follow football as much, but like for those of you who follow football, you can connect the dots. Yeah, but so मतलब वही है, मतलब तो FIFA ने भी एक मतलब एलोकेशन किया था, मतलब बजट एलोकेशन किया था, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाए थे कि हर क्लब कितना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर सकता है, कितना, what is the limit?
This is the same thing which is going on in F1 right now. I don't know if you follow Formula 1, but I recently got into it.
I don't follow, but I fancy F1.
Yeah.
Like I fancy racing.
So recently, because Mercedes has a ton of money, they have their cars which are amazing, and every time both of the Mercedes drivers are first and second. Like it's a one-sided game now. It's not news anymore if Hamilton wins.
मेरे पास पैसा है तो मैं जीतूंगा ही, क्योंकि मेरे पास अगर पैसा है तो मेरे पास रिसोर्सेज ज्यादा है।
So अभी इसमें भी आ गए, rules आ गए।
मतलब इक्वालिटी वाला भी एक सीन होना चाहिए ना, मतलब सबको इक्वल, everybody should start from the same line. I'm not saying that.
So it's a race then. वरना तो
it's a race. It's a fair race then. It's like cricketer या तो cricketer बनना है तो actor बनना है. But I think almost decade ago, 2 decades ago, like this was the
now it's YouTuber now.
And now it's like influencer बनना है. अब एक तीसरी चीज आ गई है, influencer बनना है. वो तो अलग ही चीज है, मतलब चलो वो मार्केट अलग ही है पूरा, बट लाइक सब लोग को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा है सोशल मीडिया, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है शायद। मतलब ऑफ कोर्स वहां भी सेम लॉज एप्लीकेबल होता है, जिसके पास ज्यादा रिसोर्सेज हैं ऑफ कोर्स उसको
they can do better, yes,
बट जिनके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं,
but it's also life, you know what I mean? You may not get the fair chance all the time, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होगा और अभी कर लो। And I'm not saying कि whatever is happening right now is incorrect or something, but yeah, थोड़ा सा चेंज आना जरूरी है, और थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे तो होगा ही, वो तो बैलेंस है ही।
सही है।
Let's see. Let's hope for the best then.
Yeah.
Okay, man. This was fun. Started out heavy, then it was really cool.
Yeah. Fucking hilarious.
Abhi,
Yeah.
Abhi, now I edit it.
Now you edit it. My friend here, तुम लोग को जो भी वीडियो देखने मिलेगा, ये एडिट करना आसान नहीं होगा. मतलब ये तो मुझे
Oh,
पता है. This is not going to be an easy thing to edit for sure.
yeah. Well, let's see.
So
Anyways,
good
man,
luck, Keval.
thank you so
Good
much for
luck.
coming.
Hey, yaar.
We
Thank
were
you for
talking
calling
about
me
this since
over.
a long time.
Yeah. Since like we met at UPGDT.
1 year back,
तब
I guess.
से 1
इसी
year
time
back.
था. August में ही थे अपन मिले थे.
Exactly. And I had been like delaying it because like I was in my own things and like,
Yeah.
finally
We did it.
we did it. So good stuff,
Thank you
man.
so
I
much,
had a
man.
lot.
All the best for
I had
Dharma
loads.
Jam.
Yeah, thanks. Ubuntu and Dharma Jam, of course. Dharma Jam is my
Is you.
is you. Yeah, it's me, but like it's my dad's. Like, that's my parents' production company.
Oh, really? I thought
Yeah,
Dharma Jam was just recent created, and I thought that the play on the name was really cool.
No, man. I mean, it's a really cool name. They've named the company after me. This is not nepotism. This is what a lot of people do. This is what Paresh Rawal did with his wife Anjali in Hangama. Okay, so it's cool. A lot of people do that. Yeah, Anjali company. हाँ मतलब यार मतलब वेलकम में भी वो है संजना
ये तो हर जगह यार. ये तो
हाँ तो ये तो हर जगह है. ये तो नॉर्मल है बहुत. सो या तो वैसा
well,
है.
anyways,
So
this was there.
Ubuntu is
Yeah,
I'm a co-founder at Ubuntu. Is a production. How we're a budding production art house, and
I
we
see their
produce second
videos.
innings from Ubuntu. Yeah, we're like trying to make some content.
They're also doing the content thing, right now.
Yeah, we're doing.
I've been
like
seeing their funny
we
videos.
initially. Yeah, we did like we tried our hand at digital content. We are exploring this world. This is quite new for us. So yeah, we're exploring and आ रही है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें आ रही है हमारे चैनल पे भी.
Looking forward, man.
सही है. And even I'm looking forward to more of Voracious podcasts, guys. Like
Thanks, man.
amazing.
Thanks.
This is something that needs to happen. Keep doing more stuff. Keep doing more podcasts. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Good stuff, yaar, Keval. Thank you so much for having me over, man.
Of course, man. See ya, man. Bye-bye. Take care.
Always. Toodles. Peace and love.